Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Russia More Reviews. We're back here in 3 miles. Haven't done this update in a while, probably about 2 or 3 months ago. So just bringing you guys an update from the 3 miles area, so you guys can see the progress of the work. We now have most stop signs up and working. We have street signs up as well, pedestrian crossing. So we're just walking through just to look at the progress of the work. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to leave a comment after this video just to share your thoughts in terms of the progress of the work in 3 miles and the quality of the work as well. And remember to like and share the video so that more persons can see. Alright guys, so there you have it, 3 miles, an in-depth look. I know there hasn't been any official opening as yet, but it looks basically finished. Just a few street lights left to be commissioned and landscaping to be done. The 3 mile area is very windy, so one of the things I observe is that there's a lot of dust under the bridge based on the dirt areas. So hopefully once the landscaping is done, that will be reduced, but there's a lot of dust due to the loose dirt under the bridge. So let's see what they do about that. But road markings in, road signs are in. I think 95% of the street lights working, just a few not yet working, like the one in front of NCB. Yeah, but we're basically finished. So share a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about the area. 3 miles. Remember, if you're new to subscribe, sorry, for more content. Subscribing is completely free, and remember to like and share.